So generally, there's two schools of thoughts for this process. Assets that pay predictable income and assets that grow with value over time. Now, depending on your age and your risk appetite, it will determine which type is better to own. Generally, when you're younger, you have more leniency for mistakes. So accumulating assets with high growth potential makes a lot of sense. You have a long life ahead of you, so you can compound that growth into a nice little retirement pot. Now, when you're older, unfortunately, with not as many years ahead of you, you're looking to reduce your work, you're looking for a lower risk, steadier income. It just makes a lot of sense to find low growth assets with predictable recurring income like dividends or rental yield. A fine example of an income asset is a rental property or funds like real estate investment trusts who pay 90% of its profits to its shareholders. So my advice, if you're young, own high growth potential assets like stocks, growth funds, crypto potentially, corporate bonds, and some CFD derivatives that you can compound for the many years ahead of you. If you're older, look for lower risk and more stable, predictable income assets, properties, government bonds, lower risk funds, and even a high interest saving account if that ever becomes a thing again in the future.